Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have owner or admin access. Make sure the battery is above 20% so updates won't interrupt. Next, open Settings and go to About Phone, then Software Information or Build Number. Tap Build Number 7 times to enable developer options. You'll see a short confirmation. Once done, return to Settings and find Developer Options. This is where most system update controls live, and it avoids waiting for automated update prompts to appear. You now go into Developer Options and switch off automatic system updates. This stops immediate forced downloads. Then, open Google Play, tap Settings, choose Auto Update Apps, and set to Don't Auto Update Apps to prevent app-triggered platform changes. After that, open Settings right arrow Apps, use Show System Apps, find System Update or Google System Update, and force stop then disable if allowed. This prevents the updater from restarting. Make sure to confirm each change so the system retains the. To finish, restrict background data and battery for update services so they cannot auto-trigger downloads while idle. You can also install a local firewall or configure a network profile to block known update server addresses, which helps if the updater re-enables itself. If updates reappear, clear the updater app cache, revoke its permissions, and reboot. This often stops an immediate retry. Finally, make sure to check settings after major reboots, because system upgrades sometimes reset update toggles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.